Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 taskbar is not working or frozen. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or in your laptop and you're facing the issue that your taskbar is not working or is having frozen, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to press Control plus Alt plus Delete to get a menu. So just press your Control plus Alt plus Delete from your keyboard, and then you must see at this type interface. You just have to click on Task Manager, and here in Task Manager, just try to go for search, and you just have to search for File Explorer. Just search for File Explorer if it's not running or if you can't find it here. So you can also try to press Window plus E from your keyboard to open File Explorer. And once you have done, just go to Task Manager again, or you can also use Alt plus Tab to switch between different tabs or different apps. Now here you must see the Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and then click on Restart. If you have the option of End Start, so you can try to end this start, but I'm gonna restart it. Just click on Restart and it will completely restart your desktop and also including your taskbar. So it will help you to fix your issue. So you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to wait for almost some minutes or some moments, so it will fix it out itself. Or you can also press Window plus I to open your settings app. Now in settings, just go to Windows Updates, and here just make sure that your PC is on the latest update. You haven't any pending updates here. If you find, just try to update your PC. Once you have done, just go back, and here you have to retry to check if your taskbar is working or not. If it's still not working, so you just have to open your this PC, your file explorer, or you can also try to press Windows plus E to open your file explorer app. Now here you just have to go to this PC, and in this PC you will see the disk in which you have installed Windows. So in my case, I have installed Windows in my C drive. So just click on it and then double click on Windows. Just scroll down and look for System 32. Once you find, double click on it. And now in System 32, you just have to search for CTF. Just search for CTF and you must see a ctf.exe file here. Just you can wait for this until this loads. And here now you just have to right click on this file and then click on run as administrator. Click yes. Now once you have done, you just have to restart your PC, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.